Hi folks, hi my dear friend, and yeah, today we will discuss about regarding our DML and rename. What is the difference between rename and modify option? And yeah, so um, and our and our Jagannath. Hello,
Yeah, yes,
are you available? Yeah, here is my
yes.
friend is there. Jagannath. He will give the demo. Yeah, Jagannath, go ahead.
Yeah, hi friends. Today we will be discussing on DML and some of the topics on rename and modify query and on and or logical operators and some questions related to interview related questions and a logical operator query using mathematical operations also we'll discuss. So let's start from DML. DML query. So DML is all you might be knowing data manipulation language in data manipulation language where where we will be having insert, update, delete, and merge. These are the four functionalities that we are using: insert, update, delete, merge. Okay, these four things we have been manipulating in the queries. These four things are used to interact with and modify the data stored within the database tables. These commands are essential for managing the actual content of our database. Okay. This you might be watching that our table has been created. Our table has been created, and I will be just showing you the structure. It is the structure is displaying in front of you. You might be seeing that the structure is displaying manufacturing ID, product name, product available location. All these column names are there, and this manufacturing ID is primary key, which is auto increment. You might be watching this one auto increment. It is auto increment, so we don't have to add any data for manufacturing ID. It is auto incremented anywhere will be in the data. So select query. We will be writing select star from table name. So we'll see what are the data are there inside. Okay, now it is no data are there. Neither this manufacturing ID or nothing is there. So we will be inserting some elements. Now we will be going with some inserting elements. So insert statement, all you might be knowing this. This is the query, insert query, where I have been using into manufacturing unit. Manufacturing unit is the table name, and all this product. What are the product column? What are the column names? It is displaying only that particular column name will be the data will be inserted. Okay, column one, column two, oh, and column three. So I'm executing this statement. Let's see, inserting the elements. Okay, now the elements have been inserted. You might be saying, and this annual revenue generated. This is null because I want to add another query for this. I can add elements for this, but I want to show you some arithmetical operations. For that reason, I have not given any data inside this. So we have a arithmetic operation for this, where we can add the element update query. We will be going with the update query. So DML means insert, create, and now update. So update, we will be updating this query where annual revenue. Annual revenue means yearly. Yearly, what is the uh, and on the product cost, we will be using product cost and annual revenue generated two columns, where product cost into 12 means the whole year. What is the revenue from this product? It will be let's update this one, and we have updated. Here we will be seeing the data. So now all the data are okay. This update manufacturing unit set annual revenue generated equal to product cost into 12. Okay, now this thing has been done. Now we will be going with the modify, rename query and modify query. Okay, rename with modify query. So both clause are there where rename query uh, changes the name of a table. Like if we want
Yeah,
to
before that,
rename any
uh,
table.
one
Yep.
second. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
before that, we got this kind of interview question, rename versus modify. So we multiple time we got this type of interview question. So we are highlighting these things. Yeah, yeah, Jagannath, go ahead. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So rename query and modify query, where rename query, rename means like if we want to rename any table, or if you want to rename any column, then we can use rename query. Okay. So and modify means like if we want to modify the column data, at that time we will be using modify clause. Okay, rename and modify clause, when we will be using rename means whenever we want to rename the table or column, then we will be using rename. And modify means whenever we want to modify any column data type, length or constraints, at that time we will be using modify. And modify clause with after keyword is to change the position of a column. uh, you can move one column at a time. Okay, like we can swap. Like if we want let's example, like here two columns are there, product cost and annual revenue generated. If you want annual revenue generated first, then product cost, then you can use modify to swap these two columns at
yeah,
a time. One only one column we can
yes,
swap.
we can traverse it. Just a second, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
traverse, you can traverse. Okay, let's example, I want to change the table name. Okay, rename. I'm using rename clause where I want to rename the table. Okay, so here we can write alter
yeah,
table
Jagannath,
and
Jagannath. So wait. You
yes,
want
yes,
to change the table or a table column name?
table name, table name. The table name is manufacturing unit. So I just small change I will do so that it
Okay,
will be
okay.
displaying. We can, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
alter
Go
table.
ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, alter table with manufacturing unit. Okay, manufacturing unit. And and just a moment, alter that the name. Actually I'm not getting the name manufacturing units. Okay, I'm giving a unit s. I'm just adding a one s element, s. uh, and we will be rename with the old name. Okay, old means the table name that we are having previously. Unit rename, rename to. Okay, rename to, just a moment. Okay, so alter table, manufacturing unit is the table name, our old name. Rename with the new name, new table name. Okay, so this is the how we are changing our name. So I'm just executing this query so that. So okay, let's see. Let's this one. I'm just let's check whether the table is there or not. So now the table is not there. Okay, if we add s units, then the table will be displaying. Okay, so we can by the use of rename, we can change our table name. Okay, and
Oh,
I'm
okay.
keeping as it is. So yeah, the old one again, I'm changing this one so that there will be no confusion. Okay, then now the table name as it is I have given, and we get the output. Okay, Now, similarly, we can do with the columns also. Altr alter. The same way, alter the table name, manufacturing units. Only we have to add one extra after rename. We will be just like um, okay. So here we will be renaming the column name. Okay, the column modify. Mm, just a moment. I'm just alter manufacturing units. Um, here we can here we can write okay, alter table name. Then we will be just writing rename, and as we are taking table, so now we will be taking as column. So column and the old value let be product name. I want to change the name product name I want to rename. Okay, product name to uh, with the new name. Names, product names, product product underscore NAMES names. Okay, so now when I execute this one, so here you might be saying the column name is product name, and after executing this one it will be names. Okay, this one is unit. Okay, no issues, there is no error, just name. Okay, now it is product names. Okay, so when I execute this statement, then you might be seeing the column name is modified to product names. Okay, rename, not modify, rename. Now we will be going with the, here I can write uh, rename. Okay, now we will be going with modify. Modify, now we will be going with the modify, where modify is as I have told that modify is used to uh, modify the properties of an existing column, such as data type, length, or constraints. We can modify. Okay, and as well as we can traverse the columns, only one column at a time. Okay, so we will be executing modify. So here also the same alter. This both are alter from alter table only. Alter table and the table name, and what will be the, then we will be using modify clause. So modify 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 the name, the we want product name to be uh, after the annual revenue. Okay, after the annual revenue, if we want. Okay, so sorry, make a mistake. Like I want to change the data type. Okay, modify means two things we can do: modify the data type as well as traverse. So first we will be going with the data type, how to modify the data type. So I'm going with the annual revenue generated. Okay, annual revenue generated one. Annual revenue. Just a moment. Annual revenue
You can,
modify
yeah,
revenue generated. Yeah, we are says a worker 20. Okay, I know it is a int type of elements, but to just show you how this query works. So for that reason, I have used worker. Before executing this one, I will show you what is the column actual type. Annual revenue is int type. You might be saying int type. Okay, int type. Now, after executing this query, it will modify to varchar. So now I will show the structure of the table. So you might be seeing this is a worker. It is modified to worker. Okay. So was to showcase you, I have modified. Again, I will modify to int so that there will be no errors while executing further. Okay, it is successfully, and we'll check the structure, and now it is int. Okay, fine. And the other one is like the similar way, alter table table name. Then now we will be traversing the columns. Okay, now we'll be traversing the columns where annual revenue will be like excuse me, annual revenue we want to we will traverse. Okay,
Yeah, you
why
can
we are not
select
able
query.
to see.
Select query
Okay,
you can write.
yeah, select query. So yes, so now product cost is first, then annual revenue. So we have to change. Okay, we have to change so that just a moment. Okay, so now it will be traverse. Okay, annual revenue will be come in front of product cost. Now I'm executing this one. It executes successfully. Then now we will see annual revenue generated is came first. Okay, but we will move it again reverse because it is not like doesn't look good. So we'll change this one as previously. So I'm executing this one and it is executed successfully. And we can see what is the select statement where yes, now it came to its position. Okay, just for a to execute these two queries, I have just done some changes and then again I have reversed back. Okay, now modify and select query, rename both the things we have done. So
Yeah.
just
Next,
now we will
yeah,
go with and or operator,
and
logical operators.
under logical and mathematical operator also, right?
Yes, mathematical operators also I will be going ahead.
Yeah,
So
go
and
ahead.
or logical operators are used in where clause. Wherever we are using where clause, at that time we will be using and or operator. Or means 0 1 1 0. Okay, and operator means 1 1. Logical. This is a mathematical. Just I just give a small brief example. Where to understand more, uh, and or logical operators used in where clause to filter rows based on multiple conditions. Like if we have if we want some multiple conditions we want to use, then we will be executing and or operators, and requires all conditions to be true. Okay, I have told you now one one statement will be there. If all conditions are true, then only and will be executing, and logical operator will be execute, and or requires at least one condition it should be true. Okay, so now we will be executing one small example where I'm giving you an example and or operator. Okay, we will be using select start from manu- manufacturing unit where clause we will be using where product name equal to, it is not case sensitive, but anyhow I will write as the data is there. Okay, in camel order, product name, and we will be using and operator to check the to get up specific like specified data. Okay, and annual revenue generated. Okay, annual generated equal to like 39072. 39072. Okay, now we'll execute this one so that we can get a, so where clause we get a error, so unknown column product name. Okay,
Can you select it?
product name.
Yeah, can you select? I think column name is maybe you change something. Names, I think. Product name.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
product names. Okay, names, and yes, I have added. So now added, and you will be getting the outputs. Okay, but you might be observing only one data we get, whereas air cooler, okay, we are having only one data product name also, we are having only one. So we can have n number of data, but now we are having only one air cooler. If I add another air cooler, then you might be observing only the specific air cooler which annual revenue generated I have given condition, that one only it will be displayed. Okay, and and another one is like yeah, and operator, the only one example I'm providing you.
And or
And the
operator.
second we will be going with the or operator.
Yes.
Okay, or operator, like in a database, if we want to retrieve multiple values with a single column, then we must use or operator. Okay, in database, if we want to retrieve multiple values within a single column, then we must use or operator. So the same structure we will be following. Okay, after the where condition, the magic will be starting. Okay, and we have written the select star from manufacturing unit where product name, where the product name also will be same, will be giving or operator will give now, or like if it is the product name air cooler, uh, or the annual, or the product available location, I'm giving you the different one so that it will be product available available location, product available location equal to, I'm giving you Katak. Okay, Cuttack, Katak. Okay, then we will execute this one. So here it will be like, it will be providing air cooler and Katak. Okay, I have not added any other duplicate elements. If I have added, then we can get, or else I'm adding one element. Okay, just a moment, so that it will be, I can update with just a moment, I will update with one
You can update with
query.
yeah, manufacturing guide. You can type update.
Yes, yes, that's the same thing I'm doing. Like
Yeah, update.
update query.
Update table name. Set
Yes. Mm,
update
update
table name.
table.
Table
Table
name.
name is
Yeah, table is not required. Table name only is yeah.
table name.
Set.
Where
No,
the
no,
set.
set.
Uh,
Set
set.
column name.
Just a moment.
Your product underscore
Product
available
available
underscore
location. Okay.
yeah.
Product available location I'm providing you. Product available location equal to
Katak.
Cuttack.
Where
Okay. Uh,
where
where I
manufacturer ID.
can change.
Where
Yeah,
manufacturing
this.
ID.
Hmm, I'm giving you where MANUFACTURING manufacturing underscore
Manufacturer.
ID.
Manufacturer column name.
Okay, okay.
You can copy it. You can describe it and copy it. You
Okay,
can see
that
that.
will be easy.
Yeah.
Manufacturer ID. Manufacturer ID equal to
5. No, no, no.
CUTTSK.
5.
Sorry, five. Okay, five,
Yeah.
five.
The-
Okay.
Can you execute that code?
So I'm executing this one. So it is
Yeah.
executed
Can you
successfully,
select?
and we'll
Can you?
see select statement. I will
Yeah.
check.
Select query. Yeah. It is
So
updated.
now we will be having two product names, location Katak and Katak. Okay.
Yeah. Product available
Now if
location
I
is duplicate.
execute, yeah,
Hmm.
two product names are
Which are
product available
duplicate
location,
value.
two places are there. And when we will execute this or condition, like it will be checking product name air cooler, it will be giving one, this air cooler and Katak, and product available location in Katak, as well as it will check Katak. So in Katak two elements are there, so we'll be getting a response air cooler and camera. Okay, just I'm executing this one, and we will be getting air cooler and camera. Okay, this is or, and or both the things we have completed now. Now we can move with the combination of and, or, and or. both we can do. Okay, and or combination we can use combination of and or. Okay, now so here also the similarly we will be going with this. Okay, query. Let's select query I will be fetching so that you will be getting. Okay, what is the select query I'm fetching first of all. Now where these are the data, and when I will be using and or conditions, where I've written or conditions. Okay, air cooler or mobile. So air cooler and mobile. Okay, it is not case sensitive, but anyhow I'm writing mobile. And now the product cost is 3589. 3589. So let's execute. Product cost greater than 3589. How many products? Let's see.
It's a less than.
Yes, yes, less than. It is some error is there. Product names. Okay, product names. This S is torturing. Okay, noises. Product is less than 3589. Again, known product names. Where I have done small mistake. Okay, okay, okay. Two
One
names we
second.
have
Yeah,
given.
two names you
So
given.
for that reasons, yeah, yeah, that one. So now it is executed. So why one value you are getting? Why not two? Because air cooler and mobile both have given, but here it is condition is satisfied only with 3589. Okay, so for that reason it is providing you only one. If I am providing you greater than, then we will be having a number of like 3 4 elements we will be having. Okay, so 3589, I guess the values are not there. For that reason, just a moment, let's check me 3589, and I'm getting one value, and if
Oh,
I am executing this
3907,
select
right?
statement, then how many values? Okay, okay, a lot of values are there. 3589.
No, it's
Okay, because air cooler it is taking in air cooler. Only 3589. Oh, so you might be confused. So 3589, why n number of elements are there? Why are not taking? But here in or condition, we have given only this statement. Okay, for that reason, it is not providing you. Oh, only it is providing you one value, or else it is not providing any value. Okay, you are get. Okay, let me give you a. I will little bit elaborate this so that all will understand. I'm taking you a query. Okay, where product cost, and just I'm giving this thing so that there will be no doubts. Okay, so when I will execute, now we will be getting 3 to 4 element. Okay, one element product cost is, okay, this is the smaller value, so we will be giving the greater than. Then let's see how we will be getting four values. We might be getting 4 or 5. Yes, 3 4 values we are getting. So in this condition, it is checking two conditions. Okay, air cooler or product name. Then again we are giving. So for that reason, we getting a purifier result where we are getting only one element. Okay, one element. Okay, so this is these are the things
yeah. Thanks,
we have
Jagannath.
done. Okay,
Yeah, for
yeah.
that valuable information. And yeah, so from next chapter, we'll discuss more about in the DML operations, like what is merge and more about the join related. Yeah, we will discuss more and with practical and yeah. So try to involve here and please subscribe and give comment if you want to add anything. And we need to add some more things like mock interview and Java 8 question and answers, whatever the interview related. We need to provide that kind of videos coming soon. Yeah, Jagannath. So thanks for your
Yeah.
yeah, thanks for your help to
Thank
guided
you.
them.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, guys.
yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye.